name is John Deere Panatahi, and today we're lighting our fire for our camp oven, and inside is our roast pork. It's dangerous when you're near a fire. Let a parent light it, because we're too young to play with fire.
Right, people, it's been hour and a half. Come with the top. Hopefully we've got a bit of colour to the top of the roast. The stuff on the top is just to give a bit of colour to the top of the roast.
And now we have a delicious meal.
I think I've possibly got a little bit too high. I still have to learn how to make a crackle on these, on the fire, but it is cooked. Camp ovens and cooking on a fire is like skinning a cat. There's more than one way to skin a cat. There's more than one way to cook on a campfire. This is one way my old man and my old lady taught me, or saw my old man cook, was the embers underneath. Hopefully after another couple of hours, that is what it looks like.